right?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Flathead Garage here. And right now, I'm going to go pick another riding mower up. I'm going to start this thing up. You can hear the belt. I'll go give you a little update on the mileage on it. It's got quite a bit on it. I'm going to go ahead and shut the door real quick. Roll down both these windows. What? Oh, I was rolling down the back windows on accident. Everything still works on this car. It's pretty good. But right now, I'm not driving out there. My mom is, but of course, it's just, if you can see, I wish I could just go out this way, but you can't. You can actually see there's a road back through here. And it goes right out to my pap's house, but you can't get through there because at the end of the road, it's blocked off. But if you could, I would just drive out there, but of course, you can't have everything because somebody's got to block the dang road off. That used to be an old road. If I can, one day I'll show you the map for it. My papa, out there, he has a map that was the original map for the road. So, guys, this is the next day. You can see I got a coil, a spark plug, and a screwdriver, and some, basically some starter fluid. I'm gonna go work on this lawnmower again. Yesterday I didn't have any luck with it, so today hopefully I can get something done. And see y'all when we get out there. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll have some pictures up on Instagram here after a while. What's up guys, Flathead Garage here. It is at 9:15 in the morning. You can probably tell my voice is a little deeper. Shit, I probably got 2 hours of sleep last night. Didn't really sleep I didn't sleep very good at all last night. And here's the mower I was telling y'all about. That seat cover my mom made probably about 14 or 15 years ago, and it's still on the seat. And we'll probably be taking some of that stuff off. That way you don't have to sit on the seat to start it, because it ain't got a deck on it no more. Right there's the deck. That's what was wrong with it. But anyways, let's see. Let's put it in neutral. These transmissions, you gotta pull that little tab. I was gonna get it backed up away from that Murray. Okay, pull it. But anyways, this is it. It's right there. It tells you 17 horsepower. Single cylinder. It's not a V-twin. It's just a single cylinder over OHB. Runs pretty damn good. It's pretty hot right now. I just fired it up and drove around. I was making sure it drove and stuff, because yesterday evening I got some clips of yesterday me walking out the alley, but it was kind of boring. It was me talking and telling y'all about me going and fixing it. I'm just not even gonna put it in this video because it wasn't worth it. But anyways, you can see the top of the motor in there took off. I pulled the coil off of the motor that's in this one because it was an OHV. I don't know what horse. I think it's 14.5 horsepower. Pulled the coil off it, put it on this mower, and because the coil was bad on this one, and then just took the key down like that, fired that up, and it runs good. I would start it again for you guys, but I'm gonna let it cool down. I don't really want to keep starting. It's kind of loud. It's muffler on it's kind of bad. Wait a second. It's a 98 LT1000, but oh, I didn't know what that was. I think it's a faulty design. I don't really get this right here. I guess it's because people that live in the city don't have tools to work on their stuff, and they just pop that off, drain the oil, and do all that shit. But as you can see, it's got oil everywhere. I would have videoed some of that stuff, but my pap was out there, and I didn't want to get him in the video. You know how that goes. But anyways, I basically cleaned it up. This well, that's barely even on the spark plug right there. That coil that's on this now originally come off of a 11 horsepower Flathead. Right here is the motor that coil originally come off of. Supposedly it was locked up, but I don't know. It come off of it come off this Murray. I don't know what I was thinking. But we're supposed to be going getting Sam today. It should be a pretty good day, besides me not having enough sleep. But hopefully we can get the building cleaned out, get everything straightened back up, and Sam's gonna come up here and we're gonna motor swap his 11 horsepower into this one, because that OHV is just a piece. It's just a piece, so it ain't gonna work. But this one, has it got any gas in it? I didn't even check it before I run it. Yeah, it's got gas in it. Yeah, well, the oil and stuff good in this one though. But I was gonna tell you guys, I got a mount for my camera that's a windshield mount. If we do anything, I'll probably mount y'all up to the hood, because this hood's pretty smooth like glass, so it'll stick to it. Overall, it's a pretty nice lawnmower. It's got, the transmission is something like a shit, I can't remember now, but it's a hydrostatic, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, damn, there's gnats everywhere up here, guys. But them rims, they clean right up. He had this thing since, I'm pretty sure since like maybe 2000, maybe. He's had it probably about 14, 15, 17 years, somewhere around in there. And the coil went bad on it. He could fix it, but he went ahead and bought him a new one, because, you know, I mean, who wants to fool with an old lawnmower like this? But he's good with mechanics and stuff, but he just didn't feel like messing with it. But I went out there the other day, that evening, pulled it out of there. The battery was completely dead in it. The battery sitting on that Murray that was in this one, and it was charged up. He had it charged up, but where I would crank on it the day before, I run the battery completely dead. And I'm gonna have to take it down there to Papaw's and get him to hook it up to his charger. Not the Papaw, I got this off of a different one. And then we can get that all figured out. And then supposedly I'll have to call her here in a second. You know, I ain't got my license. I'm too young to have a license. And my mama, pretty sure she's got the car right now. I'm probably gonna have to call her here in a second. And this brake right here, you can see all my tools and stuff still sitting in the back of my truck. And me and Sam was fixing the brakes probably a week ago now. But we was fixing the brakes on it, and I never went and got the little piece. I'll put a picture up on the screen right now what it looks like. But today is the 5th, July the 5th. I don't know when this video will be up. Hopefully soon, because I know I've not been posting as much as I should. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this thing back on there real quick. I think, yeah, it come off this side. I pulled it off yesterday because it was basically just sitting there. It's got little tabs on it. All the rest of them was pretty about gone. Yeah, that one's pretty gone. It ain't gonna stay on there. But what I'm gonna get is some like you know that stuff you put on skateboards. I don't know what it's called, but you put it on a skateboard, and that's what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna just cut me a piece out and like make it look nice and stuff. And I'll probably just use that one and trim it out, and then just do it for this side. That way, you know, I'll have me a little foot thing there. I'm not gonna do much of this. If I do anything, I'll probably repaint this dash. That's really the only rusty part on the entire lawnmower. There's not any rust on it, but everything else is good shape on it. Up in here is good shape. I wiped all this down here. There was grease everywhere. But my papa that owned this before me, he did take care of it, and he always changed the oil. He changed the oil before you're supposed to, and he always kept good clean gas in it. I don't really know why the coil went bad. I guess, well, this style of motor, them overhead valves, I don't really like them that much. They're not really reliable. I mean, they're reliable, but shit, probably about, if you have one for more than 20 or 30 years, which that's a good amount of time. But that Lowe's I had, I think it was a 93, so it was about that age. That's the motor that come out Lowe's. It had it needs valves adjusted, and it don't need a coil, because the coil, like I said before, the coil that I pulled off of that motor, I put back on this one. But yeah, that one I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all everything. I got me a new mount. Sam, it's just 9:24 right now, and this video will probably be a long video. Stick with me, y'all. I guess I might as well fire this thing up for you guys. I think I pushed the clutch in. See, it fires right up. Now this thing has you'd be surprised how much compression this thing has. You can't even hardly turn the dang thing over with your hands. It's got so much compression. But I guess I'll let you guys go, and I'm gonna try to get a ride, and then we'll catch back up on this sometime. I don't really know when. I'll probably I don't know, I probably won't show me going into the store and buying that piece for my brakes. But alright, let you guys off here.